Massaman Curry is a wonderful fragrant dish from Thailand. In this video, we delve into the history and teach you how to make Massaman Curry. Massaman Curry is a traditional Thai dish that is believed to have originated in the southern regions of Thailand, near the border with Malaysia. The name Massaman is thought to come from the word Muslim, as the dish is believed to have been influenced by the cooking of Muslim traders who travelled throughout the region. It is said the dish was created by Thai Muslims and was heavily influenced by the Indian and Persian cuisine. Massaman Curry is characterised by its complex blend of spices which include cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg and cardamom. The dish also typically includes peanuts and potatoes, which were not native to Thailand but were likely introduced by the foreign traders. The dish became popular in the central plains of Thailand and then in the capital city of Bangkok. Massaman Curry is often considered to be one of the most popular Thai dishes worldwide and is known for its rich and savoury flavours. It is worth noting that the history of this dish is not well documented and the story of its origins is passed on through oral tradition, thus there might be variations or different versions of the recipes. Here is a simple recipe for Massaman Curry. The ingredients are 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs or beef cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 onions sliced, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon Massaman Curry paste, 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of beef or chicken broth, 2 potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of peanuts coarsely chopped, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste, salt and pepper to the taste. Now, how to make Massaman Curry. In a large pot or Dutch oven, saute the onions and garlic into a small amount of oil until softened. Add the curry paste and stir until fragrant. Add the chicken or beef and stir until the meat is browned. Add the coconut milk, broth, potatoes, peanuts, fish sauce, brown sugar and tamarind paste. Bring it all to a simmer. Reduce the heat to low and let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the meat and potatoes are cooked through and the sauce has thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve over rice, garnished with chopped peanuts and cilantro if desired. Note, you can use any protein and vegetables of your choice. This is just a rough recipe and you can always adjust it to your taste. Now, head to the kitchen and cook up a delicious Massaman Curry.